Inspektor Kordon.
Wat akan dong balai tang imiau ru. Ngan wat epi bat penam laj nak ti jong kan.
Ini motor inspektor bon temai. Saya pikai adukan nu lawan le.
Tang ba tip me umen jong karisa usaha yang begini hap.
Tang bat hi ko bai ngan yai ne tang bat hi shilin ter ka jing em tang bat hi ko bai ngalarai.
Namda ketiye kene kakam jonga kade po kich shabak kich namti eye.
Tu kitrok ke pikam balai people like no. Don give a pressure ne hakan kerkom balai kiri jong high level ne.
Hakmat jongahi. High level dan low level. Bahek bahan. Barok ki long lut kumju.
Ya ki kenti ba phila clay nakular kin om sep ai jimut jing perkha shapi ki hai jing e chonga jong pi kin om ya phe.
Weaver Service Center Khanapara Guwahati lengba ka jingbe tengka ka Ministry of Textile jong ka sarkar kami bat ka Development Commissioner of Handloom menta ka sengi ka arp sautrik urisau kalayo bansdang ya ka yeu di Tiar ka balatip kum ka District Handloom Expo Tanah Bana ya ka tei ka yeu lasdang menta ka sengi ka arp nyotrik urisau hamadan NSCA paham sim nongpo bat on penkut ya ka tei ha ka live huwe trik urisau hakane ke yeo lawan bandi ya ki dukan da ki nong than jing than jong ki lightly ki jella kata ka jella Meghalaya Assam bat ka jella Sikkim ya kane ke yeo di Tiar lawan ban pli do ba Amiral Bons o MLA ka nong po constituency ha ka jing don rangkat bat ki we de ki officers
came from a constituency where the maximum of the weavers they are here in Nongpo constituency, especially all the participants whom the stall has been allotted here today also, all these women who are here, they're all people, friends, weavers from my area. And this kind of initiative, this kind of exhibition where the talent can be showcased, it is very important for each and every one of us, especially in Bhoi, that we will be getting this kind of avenue to showcase our product. I'm happy to see, apart from the handloom, all the material that are here. I have seen few handicraft material also are here, and it is quite amazing to see that people from our region, from our district, we are not far behind from other part of our country. Ding nagtakadaw hagan ni kasgi gidap ka jing sukumen ka bakraw banyi ya ki nong than gi bi ki jum ndei ta ki nong thang jan rendi andre ki nong than ye ki ni ki tiar ki blaban mi ki than mula ki ni ki jing penbu itenan decoration na ki ding na ki si prepare ki pla bat kum ta ter ki non lang hang ni but ni sukumen bakum gani ka program lala ban organize hang ni hapo nong po naga benta ban pen I kisap ki phong gi jung. It is an honor and privilege for on behalf of all the weavers of this particular area, to the government of Meghalaya, to the Department of Textile, where The Ratnong Tlu Diwan Umden as an headquarter has been regarded as an airy village, and it has been officially notified by the governor of Meghalaya Textile Department on the 12th of February 2021. This is a fight, a long time fight. As a legislator from this particular area, we have been trying from time and again to get this recognition for the past 5 years. And I'm happy that the government of Meghalaya, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Minister in charge textile during that time, all the officials who have been here through thick and thin with the weavers of Bhoi, where they are in this position today because of the hard work of all the officers who have been there in this district since the inception of this department, who have been handhold all the weavers where they are today. And as Swalkushi has been regarded for Muga, and we are happy today that for Eri State also, Umden Diwan in Ratnong Tlu has been regarded as an Eri village officially. And now we are happy to learn that the department, they are under process where the GI tag is on the pipeline, where we'll see the light of the day very soon. We wish you all the best with the department. This is for the benefit of the weavers. This is for the benefit of all the farmer, the society, the SAG that we have, where this is a livelihood for each and every one of them, where they earn. And we have seen, I belong to the place where every second member of the family are the weavers.